What's up everybody and welcome back to another video. I am the Hobbyist and today we're going to be doing a little video based on a comment I got on a recent video asking what type of failsafe that I use on my Traxxas T-Max. Now, not only do I use a failsafe, but I also have figured out a clever trick to do with Spektrum computer radios. So, what this system allows me to do is set the neutral range for my throttle servo. So basically what will happen is I can let the radio go out of range or turn off the radio, and the servo will default to giving full brake. So if I turn on the radio, you'll notice that the throttle servo is going to go into full brake. I didn't do that. That was its first position. So I hit my switches and now it's in neutral. Now you'll see the trigger still controls the throttle servo just fine, but I've basically set it up so that there's this external switch that allows me to have basically a parking brake. And if my radio loses connection, then it's going to default to that fully braked position. This is great for helping prevent runaways. Now, let me show you how I set up this amazing little feature. Okay, so if we take my radio here and go into the menu, we're going to scroll down to mixing. And most Spektrum Smart radios should have this. Now if we go down, there's one option for steering, which I don't have set up, and then I have what's called Parking B, which is for parking brake. So if we go into that, you'll see I have the master, the slave, and the position type. The master control is basically that little switch, in this case E. And it may be the master, and I've set it to aux 2, which doesn't have anything connected on the receiver side, so it's not affecting anything else. So it's just kind of an extra switch that I have on the receiver. Now if I go into slave, that's obviously my throttle trigger. Now if you set this up correctly, and if you're having a DX5C, set it up exactly how I have, and you'll see that this does not affect the trigger performance at all. And then you want to set it to 3 position so that you have the parking brake ability. Anyway guys, that's going to do it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section below for what videos you'd like to see next. Thank you very much to the commenter who asked this question. His comment is on screen now. So thank you very much to him, and hopefully you guys found this helpful. But that's all for today, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.